the demand and the marketplace about Excel. As per the Forrest research, 81% of the businesses uses Excel. That means Excel has more opportunity and more weightage in the field to enter in the field on entry level. There are many opportunities. In worldwide, more than 750 million people use Excel. It also can impact your annual salary growth. Definitely, if you have one more skill in your CV and in yourself, then definitely your weightage would be higher than others because you have that one skill extra in you. Excel skill open the doors to more entry level jobs. For example, you don't have such a big degree, you are not from IIT or NITs and other colleges which are category A and category B colleges, but you want to get high paid in your career, want a good salary, but you are just looking for an starting point, then definitely Excel is an skill. You can easily master that skill and enter up in the industry like data entry jobs, data related, data analysis, data reporting, MIS reporting, many more are there. You can easily enter the industry and learn rest of the skills parallelly. Top good paid jobs that require Excel skills: data analyst, accountant, finance, admin, assistants, business analysts, project managers. These all are the high paying jobs which need skill, which is all called Excel. I have few of the examples. Some of the screenshots are there. You can easily see on the screen that how many companies required just a basic and entry level Excel skills only, in different locations with different packages. These are just 9 or 10 I just screened out, but you can find out, you can Google it by yourself also and verify this thing that I am wrong or right. You can do this research by yourself. Then definitely if you enroll this course is going to give you much more opportunities and the expertise in this particular skill, Excel. Thank you. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.